Welcome back, and thanks for joining Ty the Gun Guy. I have most recently partnered with a company called Benchmark Signs and Gifts. They do awesome work. If you can dream it, they can carve it. Give them an idea of what you want. Send them some logos like me. I sent my TGG. Send them what you love, what you like, and they'll create a design. Get a sign for the cabin, the boat, the hunting lodge, the fishing lodge, the kitchen, the house, whatever you want to do. You dream it and they carve it. Don't forget to use my coupon code TODD10, TODD10, and you will get a 10% discount at checkout. All right, here we go. We got double oak BUTKUS with the old suppressor 22. There he is. BUTKUS hitting the mud,
I was too high, I think.
BUTKUS 007 with the 9mm. There it is, concealment to protect you. The guy's a natural. There it is. There it is. Once again, we got BUTKUS 007 with the OGP Ruger 100 357 shooting 38s.
At 30 BUTKUS.
And we got 30 BUTKUS stepping up to the plate, folks. There he is. He's hitting some steel, folks. He's hitting the steel. Look at that. What a day, what a day. Who doesn't like Sunday Gun Day? Let's look around here.
Sunday is fun day.
No, Sunday is Gun Day.
Go Browns.
Go Browns.
Go Browns.
Sunday Gun Day with BUTKUS. Double O BUTKUS, baby.
Double O BUTKUS.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Give me some blood. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and until next time, Ty the Gun Guy.